If you manage a commercial building, you'll know that HVAC systems are the life force behind many daily processes and operations. If you're in need of a new setup, or new angle on a new setup, or just need to undergo some routine maintenance, listen up! Smith Heating and Air Conditioning. We provide professional and efficient commercial HVAC systems designed to last longer, provide flexibility, and save energy. You will see, our goal is to help you keep your maintenance and operational costs limited, which is why Well perform the highest quality installations, perform these services at very low price. To a very competitive price. We provide a broad selection of HVAC services, including system replacements and upgrades. We do preventative maintenance contracts as well, temporary cooling, turnkey solutions, complete startup services, and that's just the beginning. It doesn't matter if you're a high-rise building, hotel, school, manufacturing plant, whatever. We've got you and your building covered for a long time to come. So, call us today, 865-364-6479.